The Safety and Security event series here at the NEC is made of fire safety event, health and safety event, national cybersecurity show, professional security officer live, the security event, and the workplace event. Over the 3 days, visitors are able to see the best tools and services to improve the safety and security of people, property, and assets. Quadrant2Design have designed and built 11 stands across the shows.
I mean, it's a great event. There's a lot of people here. This is fantastic.
I was speaking to one of the organisers earlier, and they do separate it into different segments, and there's a fire and security a bit further back, and yeah, it really allows us all to be close to people that are in our specific sort of area. So they organise it quite well, and events like these are very, very important for us to really meet people and further develop relationships within our segment.
Well, I think the way that they laid it out means that, so we're security, for instance, so the fact that we're all together, and then you've got fire, and you can see it's clearly designated. So yeah, I think it brings all people with all disciplines together. So yeah, I think it's a good thing.
Certainly, it's been obvious that there's been a bit of cross-pollination, if you like. People have come over from the other sides and come to see what we're doing, or vice versa. So yeah, it's good that there's a good mix.
I mean, we already know quite a lot of people in the fire industry anyway, so a lot of our new business comes from people who have got responsibility from fire and health and safety. So it makes a huge amount of sense for us.
Co-locating these events is proving convenient to visitors and expanding opportunities for exhibitors. Society is being driven to further identify, take responsibility for, and mitigate against risk. Our exhibitors have all told us that expertise and credentials really matters to buyers in this market. Genuine leads and lucrative sales are taking place here, because in these industries there is no substitute for meeting and presenting face-to-face.
I always say to the team, if you can do something in person, do it in person. If it's the old school way, I don't know, but I much prefer shaking someone's hand, looking into someone's eyes, developing a relationship. It goes down great. We still do a lot of business online via Teams and so on, and the message is still strong, but you can't beat in person.
I think nothing beats face-to-face. It's all great. Modern technology, is fantastic, but nothing beats kind of standing in front of somebody, showing them their products, being open with somebody, and having that conversation.
Has that been beneficial for you today?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
I think Teams meetings and Zoom meetings are great, but there's nothing better than seeing people face to face, I don't think, and people actually can feel the products and see them and how they work. So yeah, it's definitely beneficial to us and something that I think we'd look forward to doing in the future.
Well, this is our first time actually at the exhibition, and I think it's been a fantastic way for us to communicate with the people. It's much easier to relay some of the things about the products if you've actually got people to speak to in person.
Budget holders and decision makers operating in security, fire safety, property management, and health and safety want to do business in person. Global leaders in safer property and people will next gather at ExCel London for the Anticipate group of shows in December. Anticipate includes the facilities shows, Fire Racks, ExCel, and the Safety and Health Expo. Many exhibitors we have spoken to here will continue to build relationships and reach out to the new audiences at these shows.
Yeah, we're absolutely interested in FireX. We've gone historically every year, so we do both the fire and safety event and FireX.
So we will be there at FireX, which is at ExCel in December. And again, that's a co-located event with health and safety, compliance, all sorts of other things. And we know that will be good for us.
So it definitely opens up a few more markets, perhaps, to customers that we wouldn't necessarily focus on. So yeah, I think the crossover is good of having a few shows in one.
Yes, we're looking to expand, take this stand to other exhibitions as well throughout the year, and hopefully this is going to be a success, and it will be every year for us. But yeah, we will be spreading far and wide.
Quadrant2Design clients will be reusing and reconfiguring their stands for Anticipate London. The unique 100% graphic look is highly effective at communicating the benefits of services and products in these vital industries. We are working with new and existing clients to bring their ideas to life for Anticipate in December. We're expecting a busy show and advise starting the process of designing your stand as soon as possible.
It's very beneficial for us as a business because although fire safety is a specialised industry, our products also work for health and safety managers. A lot of health and safety managers have responsibility for fire safety, and so obviously, but they don't always know what they need. So it's great for us to be here. They can come on, have a discussion about what their fire needs are, and we can help point them in the right direction for the right solution.
It's just great to network, it's great to meet new companies, and that's what it's about. It's talking to the customers and what we can offer them. So it'll be, if we can get to every exhibition, we would.
The turnout, footfall's been good, lots of people coming onto the stand. We've enjoyed meeting many new people, lots of leads, which is great from our perspective as a whole. But yeah, a successful day.
I do believe the people that have arrived today really are here with questions to be answered, and they come here looking for some solutions that we're happy to try and please.
We've talked to people that we want to talk to, that we've identified as a market where we want to have better conversations, and those conversations have happened here today.
Send us an email or give us a call, and one of our award-winning design consultants will be more than happy to offer advice and a free, no-obligation design proposal. Goodbye from Birmingham.